everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Adity, and today I'm going to unbox with you guys India's first subscription box, that is Eyescrush. This is how it looks. So this is basically a sunglass subscription box in which you also get some elements of skincare. But basically if you love sunglasses, then this subscription box is for you, because every month you get to try new sunglasses in this box, and plus you can select these sunglasses. You will get various options, and according to your preference you can select what you want. If you are very confused about which sunglasses to go for, then you can tell them your face shape and they will give you best options as per your face structure. The price of this subscription box is 699 rupees for 1 month including shipping, so that is good. They also provide subscription for 3 and 6 months. For the 3-month subscription you have to pay 650 rupees per month, plus you will get free contact lenses and accessories. And for the 6th month you have to pay 616 rupees per month, plus free laptop and mobile eyeglass worth rupees 1900, so that is amazing. Also the sunglasses which you get in this subscription box is without any power, but they are UVA and UVB protected. But if you want power sunglasses, then you can pay rupees 999 and you can upload your prescription or just DM your prescription and they will get you your powered sunglasses ready. And by the way, this subscription box is unisex, so even if you are male or a female, then you can order the subscription box, because the skincare and the eye care products you get are unisex. Plus you can choose the sunglasses according to your gender and your preferences. And also they have COD available, so if you wish you can pay online, or you can even do COD as per your wish. So yeah, now let's get into the unboxing. And I totally forgot to mention that you can order this through Eyescrush Instagram DM, their website, or Scribble. Again, everything will be mentioned in my description box. So this is how the box looks like. It has faces all around with sunglasses, which looks super classy to me. So then on the side we have written India's first sunglass subscription box. I think you can reuse this box in various other ways. So once you open it, this is how it looks. This is how it came in, and it has this paper here, so I will just carefully remove it. This is the wear and share card, so you can tag them wearing their sunglasses maybe. And it also says that take 10% off on your next purchase of 3 to 6 months plan. And they have the code written here, and then they have the info card here which talks about all the items which we have in this box. Then we have all the products right here. Everything is nice and intact. I will show you one by one what are the products which I got. So the first product I have here is Chronicare Sun Warrior Sunscreen Lotion SPF 50. Its MRP is rupees 295 and you get 30 ml of product. So it says that it is ultra light in texture, it is non-greasy in touch, then it is free of sulfate, parabens, silicone and mineral oils. All the Chronicare products are free from these harmful chemicals, so this is very handy. Again, you can keep this in your purse and you can reapply your sunscreen throughout the day. The second product we have here is again by Chronicare, and it is their body lotion in the variant Spices of Rajasthan. Again, it is free of sulfate, parabens, silicone and mineral oil. I'm quite intrigued to smell it because it says Spices of Rajasthan. It smells quite musky. It smells like perfume and not of spices, so do not worry. And I really like the smell. It is a bit like men's perfume. So again, this is a 35 ml bottle and it retails for 75 rupees. Again, something which you can throw in your purse. And then we also have a booklet briefing about all the Chronicare items. So this is how it looks, and they have 25% discount at checkout while you purchase at Chronicare's website. And the third product we have here is from Viclens, and it is their multi-use wipes. It is paraben free, DM water alcohol free, and skin friendly pH, enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E, dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic and hand picked, and it has 10 units of wipes, and it is very sleek. So again, you can keep it in your purse and use it whenever you want to. And this is for rupees 49. Again, a very useful product. Then the fourth product I have here is the Kamakshi French Pink Clay Face Mask. It has 30 grams of product and it retails for rupees 650. It says it is handmade, all natural, timeless, enhances complexion, instant glow and deep cleanses. So the ingredients in this are multani mitti, bentonite powder, French pink clay, haridra powder, nagra motha powder, manjista powder and rose powder. So again, the ingredients are really good. And okay, so this is in powder form. It smells really good, like those handmade DIYs which we make at our home. And the good thing about this is that you can choose your base. If you want, you can use a aloe vera gel or maybe rose water or anything which you want to with this. Then the next product we have here is fox leather pouch, and I really like the fact that it is fox leather and not original leather. So anyways, this retails for rupees 220 rupees. I really like the quality, and the inside material is also really good. Again, it is very handy if you want to keep your specs in this, or maybe your sunglasses. And then we have the sunglasses here. The sunglasses which I chose is a silver sunglasses. This is how the sunglasses looks like. It is very reflective. You can see it has a sleek frame, and I really like the quality of it. So the best thing about this subscription box is that you will not receive random sunglasses. You can choose according to your preference, and that way you will not end up receiving something which you will not wear. And as previously mentioned, you can upgrade these sunglasses to powered sunglasses by paying rupees 999 extra. Oh, and the MRP of these sunglasses are up to rupees 899 depending upon your choices. And then the last product I have here is by Bella Vita. This is how it came wrapped in. I really like the packaging. It looks so good. So we have a card here from Bella Vita, and this is how the product looks like. This is the Eye Lift Miracle Repair Eye Gel Cream. You get 20 grams of products, which I think is more than enough for your eyes, and it will last for a very long time. And the key ingredients are cucumber, jojoba, tulsi and retinol. It claims to repair dark circles, under eye treatment, cure puffy eyes, anti-wrinkle and anti-aging. Here you also have the full ingredient list and the directions of use. It retails for 699 rupees. This is again a very thoughtful product. So this is how the texture looks like, and its fragrance is exactly like cucumber. I like the fragrance. It feels very fresh. So yeah, that is the 7th and the last product which we received. Overall, everything looks quite impressive to me. So overall, I really like the box, and I will definitely recommend it. You get product worth rupees 3800 plus by just paying 699 rupees, which I think is total worth of money, because you're getting some really useful and good quality products. And the theme is also very summer appropriate, and I think all the products which you get are very handy and very useful. The idea of sunglass subscription box is something very new and unique, and also very fun. So yeah, that will be it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, because I really enjoyed unboxing it. It was something really new for me, so I hope you found that helpful. And yeah, so now I will see you super soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.